Hello YouTube, Text back with another great video, and today's video is about which is fixing the taskbar not working or not showing issues on Windows 11, 10, 8 or Windows 7. So all the solutions will work for all Windows products. So stay tuned until the end of the video. On this video we are going to show you 6 solutions. So let's start from solution number 1. So solution number 1 is a basic solution, which is restart your computer. So you are not using the task manager, so I mean the taskbar, so all the taskbar functions are not working. So you are going to click Alt plus F4 on your keyboard. So when you click Alt plus F4 at the same time, you will find here different options. So select here the restart category. So after the restart, check whether the taskbar options get back or start working or not showing issue is solved. If the solution is not helping, then the second solution will be opening the task manager in order to restart the Windows Explorer, this Windows Explorer. So the Windows Explorer have a relation with the task bar. So in order to open the task manager, click Ctrl+Shift+Esc. So you find here the task manager. So here the task manager opened, then search for Windows Explorer. If you can't find the Windows Explorer, just select one of the services on the task manager and click W. So it will directly lead you to the Windows Explorer. Then select the Windows Explorer and select here restart. So it will restart, as you can see here, the taskbar, and it will refresh all the activities related with the taskbar section, and check then whether your taskbar problem is solved or not. So if this solution is not helping, then the third solution will be closing some services. So to close those some services, we should have to open the taskbar. Again, we are going to click Ctrl+Shift+Esc on the keyboard. So after you open the task manager, then we are going to open here details. So here the details will be opened, then search for runtime broker. So here I am going to click R, and here I found runtime broker, which is I found a kind of 4. So I'm going to close each of them. So I will select the runtime broker, then close, and then in the process I'm going to select in time broker. We'll do the same in the task, then in process, again select this one, then go to in the task, then in the process, and the final one, then in the task, then in the process. And the second one will be search host exe. Find for that one and select this search host.exe, and select in the task, then select in the process. Then select for search indexer. So here I found search indexer. I'm going to select it and select in the task, and I'm going to select in the process. Then close the task manager and check whether your taskbar started working or not showing issue is solved or not. So if solution number 3 is not working, then solution number 4 will be repair system files. So to repair the system files, again we are going to open the task manager. So we are going to click on the keyboard Ctrl+Shift+Esc, and we open again the task manager, then select here file, and after you select file, go to run new task. So the run new task will be opened, then type here CMD. So here we find the CMD, and make sure if you have here a checkbox, select the checkbox, but I am already on the administrator privilege, so I'm going to select OK, and here the CMD opened. So here I have a command on my notepad to repair the system files. Here I have 3 commands that then I'm going to use each of them one by one. I'm going to put the link on the description box, so you can find here the notepad and you can use the command. So I'm going to copy this one and paste. I'm going to paste it and press enter. So it will start processing handhelds and it may take some time. So wait patiently until it will finish the process. So after the process completed, then you are going to proceed to the next step. So here the process completed, as you are seeing here, 100%, which is the process completed 100% successfully. So scan health is completed. Then we are going to proceed to the second command, which is restore health. Then I'm going to copy this one and paste it on the CMD again. So it will start again restoring the health. So like the scanning process, wait until it will finish the process of the restoring health. So as you can see here, the restore health completed successfully. Now the third step will be, which is processing the SFC scan now. So to start the SFC scan now, select the SFC scan, which is, as you can see here, select it, then copy, then paste the SFC scan now and press enter. Then it will start again the SFC scan now and it will process and wait patiently until it will finish the processing. And as you can see here, the SFC scan now completed the processing. So 100% verification is done and some error is seeing here. So close here, close the CMD and click for Alt plus F4 on your computer and restart your computer. So here I'm going to select restart. After the restart, check whether the taskbar problem is solved or not. If the taskbar problem is still happening, then the fifth solution will be reinstalling and re-registering all the Windows app. So in order to reinstall and re-register the Windows app, again we are going to open the task manager. So to open the task manager, we are going to click Esc plus Shift plus Control. So it will open the task manager, as you can see. So after the task manager opened here, then select File, then select Run New Task. So after the Run New Task opened, type PowerShell. So here we found PowerShell, and make sure this if you have a checkbox, it's checked or ticked, then select OK. So the PowerShell already opened, and here we have a command in order to reinstall and re-register all the Windows apps. So copy this command and paste it on the PowerShell, which help us to reinstall and re-register all the Windows apps. So then press enter. So it will take some time, so wait patiently until it will finish the processing. Then after the process completed, it may show you some errors or some deployment information. So wait patiently until the end of the process. So after it finished the process, and as you can see here, the process completed. So just close the PowerShell and select for Alt plus F4, which help us to restart our computer. So select here restart, and after the restart, check whether the taskbar problem is solved or not. So if the taskbar problem is not solved, then the final solution would be which is creating a new user account on your computer. So to create a new user account, click Windows plus I icon. So it will open the setting, then select here accounts. Then after you select the accounts, then you will find family and other users. So select family and other users on your computer, which will lead you to create a new user account. So add other users would come to the screen, then select add account. So after you select add account, then Microsoft will start preparing to create a new user account. So here we find the new user account. So you can insert email or phone or Microsoft account if you have, but if you don't have, you can forget it by saying I don't have this person sign in informations. So after you select that, it will proceed to the other page, which is you can create accounts. But if you don't want to create again an account, you can select add a user without a Microsoft account, and you can insert basic information related username, passwords, which is the way that you can create a new user account for the computer. So after you insert all the informations and all the security information, after this select next, and it will create a new user account. Then close your computer or restart your computer, then log in with the new user account, and it may provide you the taskbar, or your taskbar problem will be solved. So all these 6 solutions are helping to solve the taskbar problems. I hope all the solutions helped you, and if you are new here, please subscribe and give me comments and subscribe Chachi Tech. Thank you for watching. For today, Chachi Tech out.